Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am going to be talking about some sweaty issues. We are talking about how to refresh your hair after a sweaty workout. If you follow me on other social media, then you know how much I love to work out. I work out about 5 to 6 days a week and I am sweaty and gross a lot of those workouts, and I always get the question, how do you keep your curls looking good? How do you refresh your hair throughout the week when you are working out? I actually have already worked out today. I know it kind of doesn't look like it because I finished my workout probably about an hour ago or so, and I'm about to hop in the shower and actually go through the process of refreshing my hair so that you guys can see exactly what I do. It's not hard to work out, get a sweaty workout session in, and still have good looking curls. Yes, if you are having really intense sweaty workout sessions, then you probably will have to maybe wash your hair a little more frequently. So if you're used to going a full 7 days in between your washes, then you may only be able to go about every 4 days. I typically wash my hair every 4 to 5 days, depending on what I've done, depending on how much buildup I feel like is in my hair. But I can usually go about 4 to 5 days in between, and I am typically working out most of those days, if not all of those days, and just refreshing my hair after my workouts. So I'm going to take you through that step by step today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there. Make sure to hit the bell so that you are notified when I upload videos on my channel. And if you want to see how I keep my hair refreshed even through the sweatiest of sweaty workouts, then just keep watching. Okay, so I know my hair is looking really crazy, and that is because I have actually already worked out today. I finished my workout about an hour ago and I'm about to jump in the shower. But before I do that, I do want to go ahead and show you guys how I put my hair up for my workouts. If my hair is touching my neck and I'm sweating and my hair starts to get all like wet, it just grosses me out. So my hair has to be up. I'm typically either in a hat or I have a bandana wrapped around my head, and that way it tends to catch a lot of the sweat. I just like to use a regular elastic band with no metal pieces on it for when I go to the gym, because I need to make sure that my hair is super secure and it's not going to fall down even if I'm like running on the treadmill or jumping around doing like a HIIT workout or anything like that. I want my hair to stay in place. I am going to flip my head upside down, pull my hair all up on top of my head. So this is the first step. I'm just wrapping the elastic around my hair, and I only wrap it around twice because I don't want to pull the edges of my hair. I don't want any breakage or anything like that. I could easily just wear my hair like this to the gym and that would be sufficient. It wouldn't be falling down. My hair is tight enough that it's not going to fall. But once I start to get sweaty, my hair will start to get a little bit like falling, and I just don't like it. I don't like it to touch my face if I'm running. I don't like it to be smacking me in the face or anything. What I like to do is just kind of grab sections of my curls and pull them up towards the elastic and either take a bobby pin and pin them in place, or what I like to do to make it really easy is I will take these little tiny claw clips. This one is a clear one, so it's probably a little difficult to see. And basically all I do is I will just take a chunk of hair, pull it up towards the elastic, and then I just put the clip in, and then I will take another chunk of my hair in the back and take another little clip and clip it in there. And then I usually use about 4 clips, and then I'll take another section right here. Now I've got a little brown clip and pin that one right there. And that is basically how I wear my hair. If I have a few little like curls hanging down, totally fine, not a big deal. But if there's like a big piece that's like kind of funky, then I'll put in, you know, another clip or so. It's just an easy way to kind of put my curls up without stretching them out, without kind of like disturbing the curl pattern at all. When it's time to refresh, I can just take those clips out and my curls are not destroyed. Once I have my hair up the way I like it, I am just a huge bandana fan. I love wearing bandanas, especially to the gym to work out because it catches my sweat and you can throw them in the wash after every single use and it just like, they're just awesome. So today I've got a purple shirt on, so I'm just gonna use a purple bandana. I like to fold it up and wrap it around my head like so. And I have a whole video that I will leave in a little card here and leave linked below about how I wear my bandanas because I'm just obsessed with them. And this is basically how I would typically wear my hair to the gym. And then now, once we have done our sweaty, gross workout and we're feeling funky, now it's time to refresh, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do that. Okay, so I'm getting ready to jump in the shower, and the one thing that you don't wanna forget to do whenever it's not your wash day is to use a shower cap. So I will just take off the bandana. I just leave the clips in for now. Put your shower cap over top of your hair. And this way you can wash your body off and get all nice and clean. And your hair's not gonna get wet. It's not gonna start to go limp. Your curls are gonna stay nice and dry. Now, even if your hair is sweaty, it's totally fine. You don't wanna add a ton of water back to your hair. So make sure that you put your shower cap on, go wash your body, and then we will get to refreshing. Now that I am clean, I have showered, and I just took my shower cap off, and this is what we are working with. Not cute. We're gonna fix this right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take all of my little clips out of my hair. Basically, we're just gonna take our hair down. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, and we're done. Just kidding. So the first thing that I want to do is, especially if I've had a really sweaty workout, is I want to dry my roots. Take my blow dryer and I'm going to put it on low and I'm going to put it on a medium to cool setting, and I'm going to just shoot it right at the roots to really get the roots completely dry. And this is to basically get all of that sweat completely dried up before we go in and refresh. Go ahead and dry your roots first. Now it's time to go in with a dry shampoo. I am a huge fan of dry shampoo. I've fallen in love with this. This is the Aussie Clean Texture Dry Shampoo. This is the one with jojoba oil, and it is sulfate free, which is amazing. And basically I just start to target this at the roots throughout my hair. So I'll just kind of section off my hair and spray it at the roots. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Just watch. And I like to do a pretty good burst right at the nape of my neck because that is where I typically sweat the most. I wait a minute or so, let that kind of soak in, and once that has soaked in, then you are going to really kind of shake out the roots, and this is what's going to soak up any of the excess oil and stuff at the roots to really refresh the hair, and it makes the roots of your hair smell really nice. Now it's time to try and like kind of refresh the rest of your curls, because if your hair's been up or in a ponytail or whatever, you may have kind of stretched out some of your hair. It might be a little frizzy around the root area. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of water. I know it's kind of weird because we just dried the roots and now we're gonna wet our hair, but we're really not focusing the water on our roots because our roots are refreshed. We really just want to focus it on this part to reactivate product that is already in our hair and to add a little extra product to create more definition. So just gonna spray lightly. And depending on how my hair looks, some days I have to refresh a little bit extra versus other days. So today I don't really feel like I need a ton, but we're gonna go in there and just dampen the hair. We're not saturating it, we're just getting it a little bit damp. And now I'm going to add a little bit more product. You don't need much when you are refreshing because you already have product from your wash day. And as soon as you start to spray a little bit of water, it's gonna reactivate that. But I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Diva Curl Be Leave-In Texture and Volume Gel. This is one of my favorite products to refresh with because it just works so well. And this is literally all I'm using, just the tiniest amount. And I'm gonna rub that in between my hands. And when I'm refreshing, I just go over my curls, just like this with praying hand method. You don't want to run your fingers through it and cause frizz. Just running it on the outskirts of the hair and then scrunching. I'm gonna go in with my hair repair towel and just do a little scrunching just to make sure that all of my curls are just living their best life. Scrunch that product into my hair. And after that, my hair is ready to either be air dried or diffused, which you guys know, I'm a diffuser girl. I love to diffuse and just get my hair nice and dry really quickly. So I am using my Diva dryer and my Diva diffuser, and I'm gonna put it on medium heat, on medium speed, and just go through and dry my hair. It only takes about 5 minutes, if that, to get it nice and dry, and I will come back with the finished product. There you have it. You have your refreshed curls. Your hair feels great. It smells great. It doesn't smell like the gym. It doesn't smell like sweat. And when I do this refresh routine, it takes me all of like 5 to 10 minutes when obviously I'm not making a video about it. So I wanted to share this because I don't want you guys to be scared to get your workouts in and sweat your hair out, because it doesn't take much to refresh your hair and get your beautiful curls looking great again. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what other curly hair type of videos that you guys want to see from me. Leave them in the comments below. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.